Hey guys, welcome back to another live. As you come in on the live, give the live a thumbs up and leave your comment down below. Share your thoughts and enjoy bird watching with me. These birds are out today and they're enjoying the field, and I would like you guys to see them enjoying themselves as well.
Did you what? Did you do what? Yeah. Ow. Don't hurt. Go. Hey. But you know it. You know me.
Guys, this is awesome. These birds really come out to play today. Wow. You might see a few golfers, but these birds are awesome. They came out to play, guys. Who can name that one? What's the name of that one, guys? He went hiding behind the tree. I want to know what name is that bird. Guys, this is... Look at him. Guys, my background is getting noisy and these birds are getting scared to run away. Oh my god, they're kids, they're golfers. They're spoiling this moment. This one time I get to know and learn about these birds. They're spoiling everything. Oh my god, look at them.